Have you ever seen those older houses in and around towns where they've got what look like used to be windows and they're all bricked up? Well, simple reason for that, of course, is there used to be a window tax. That's right, you were taxed on the number of windows you had in your house, so many people took to bricking excess windows up. Lunacy, isn't it, being taxed on the number of windows? Well, speaking of lunatic taxes, I've been sent a couple of emails and they both have a similar subject, and that is tyre tax. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing alright. I'm not too bad. Let me know how you are in the comments. Everything's alright with you, I trust. And I hope you're going to have a good day. Well, yeah, if you're a car driver, this gets more and more obscene, I tell you. We've covered a lot of ground to do with all the stuff that's going on in and around London, what different councils are planning, and, you know, changes in the highway code, and they're just making it more and more difficult for drivers to get by. Now the latest lunatic thing is they want to look at introducing some kind of tyre tax. And the idea being it's to crack down on apparent dangerous emissions given off by shonky tyres and dodgy brakes on cars in and around the country. And they're actually stating that these so-called emissions can be more harmful than what comes out of the exhaust. And you know, the government have employed policy advisors to actually have a look and see whether this is feasible or not. And they would have to do a lot of work to determine what tax, how much, and how they determine what cars get charged what thing. It's yet another nail in the coffin. And as somebody messaged me earlier, next they will be taxing us on every time we fart. It's yes, ridiculous, totally. You know, we have all these measures in all over the place, and it's all designed to make the car driver's job as difficult as possible until eventually we all go, oh, and get on the push bike. Wouldn't that be wonderful for all those, yes, Khan-like mares here, there and everywhere? I don't know what you think of this. I think this is about as obscene as taxing houses for the number of windows they had, as I said in the introduction. I've left a link in the description of this video so you can read this in more detail, but yeah. Last point, we have an MOT every year where we have to go and get basic safety checks done, which include brakes, tyres. Isn't all this picked up there somehow? And there was another government paper as well that I read a little while back where they were toying with the idea of increasing the amount of time between MOTs, which again is crazy because you'd have a lot of dangerous cars on the road, and I wonder whether that idea led to this idea. It's just complete pandemonium. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. I'm off. I'll see you with another one soon. Toodaloo.